brick stitch weaving paracord pattern with the microcord. How to make a paracord bracelet with a microcord stitch. Enjoy! Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube paracord community. For today's project we're going to use this black paracord 550 and this red microcord. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, check the information cards in the top right corner. There you can find many other useful tutorials, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna create the 5-strand bracelet core or a base. So now when we created our 5-strand bracelet core, we will take our microcord and a feed or a needle and we're gonna insert it into these cowl hitches here. And then from the top on the middle of the cowl hitches. The first step is to make it around from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand and to the side. A bit up and then again on top, but on top of those first two strands and through the gap between second and the third core strand. Now around and into the gap between third and the fourth core strand. And from here we're gonna go under and through the gap between first and the second core strand. And now we're gonna pass it from the top through the gap between fourth and the fifth core strand. And here under and through the gap between second and the third core strand. And around and from the back through the gap between third and the fourth. And once more around and from the back through the gap between fourth and the fifth core strand. Now from here we're gonna take the microcord and we're gonna make it under the all 5 bracelet core strands, and then we're gonna start again from the right side. We're gonna make it around and from the top into the first gap between first and the second core strand. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!